It's me, Dorian, back with another video. I told y'all I will be back soon with another one, and this is the look that I'm going to show you how I got today. I used the black glitter, NYX black glitter for my eyeshadow, and I also play around with a couple different lipstick shades. One is a nude, and then the other one is this purple shade that I'm wearing now. And yeah, I just think it's really good for like a night out, girls night out, date night with your boo. Yeah, I just think you can use it for a lot of different things, and I like how it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going in with this NYX Nude Matte Shadow. This one is in the color Craving, and it's just a matte medium gray color. I'm putting this in my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I did find that just going in with this color once wasn't dark enough for me. So here I am going back in with the same color and just building it up to make it a little bit darker. And this will help it blend in with that really dark black shadow that I'm going to be using. And once I get that dark enough, I'm going to go in with this super dark brown from my Coastal Scents Warm palette. I've had this palette forever, and I'm just using this dome brush to put that directly in my crease. This brown is going to be a good transition color between the gray and the black that I'm going to be using on my eyelid, and it's just going to help that blend out a lot better. And once I have that as dark as I want it, I'm going to go back in with my fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm using this Radial Smokey eye pen. This is a black gel liner, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid, and this is going to help the black glitter to show up dark and not have any of my natural skin tone peeking through. So I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. I'm also going to put some on my tight line, which is your upper lash line. And I'm also putting some on my waterline. And when it's dark enough, I'm going to use my finger just to blend it out a little bit. And then I'll go in with that same fluffy blending brush to blend it in with the brown and the gray. Now I'm going in with this Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer. I'm going to use my finger to pat that all over my eyelid. And then for my glitter eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter. This is one of their metallic glitters, and it's also a black glitter. The name of the color is Style Star. So yes, it's just a black glitter with some holographic pigments as well. And just pat that in with an eyeshadow brush. For my lashes, I'm using these Ardell Wispies. This is the number 601. I got these from Target, and they were about $3.99 there. They also sell them at Sally's, but I believe they're a little bit more expensive, probably about $4.99. Right now, I'm highlighting my brow bone, and to do that, I just use my Cover FX Custom Enhancing Drops. Mine is in the color Celestial, and it's the same highlight that I use to highlight my face. On this side, I actually ended up getting some on my eyeshadow, my gray eyeshadow, and I wanted it to be more blended than what it was, so I just went back in with my fluffy blending brush to blend that out, so there's no harsh lines right there. And then I'm putting some in my inner corner as well. To blend my false lashes with my natural lashes, I'm going in with this MAC Upper Lash Mascara, and I'm putting some on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm using a nude lip liner. I think that this is the same one that I got from CAO Cosmetics in the color Naked. And I'm just filling my lips in with this L'Oreal Le Matte Color Reach lipstick. And this one is the number 403, No Matter What. I actually don't think they make these anymore. I've had this one forever. This is how it looks with the nude color, but I actually wanted to go for something brighter myself. So I'm showing you this purple shade. This is a beautiful pinky purple shade from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Retro Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Dancing Flowers. So yeah, that's how it looks with this lipstick, and I love this lipstick with this eyeshadow, so that was what I decided to go with. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know any requests in the comment section, and be on the lookout for more videos. Thanks for watching.